What if you could attract hordes of hungry panfish by using sound alone? Okay, so I tried this every morning about the same time, fed the fish, and at the same time I would tap out the same rhythm on the side of the boat. What do you suppose happened on the 8th day when I stopped chumming and only used sound to chum? Let's find out. It might be a little hard, but I'm going to resist the temptation to fish in this maddening frenzy for 7 days. Then on the 8th day, we're going to see what happens with no chum and merely the sound alone. What do you think will happen? Can fish be trained to respond to sound? We're going to find out. Okay, it's been 8 days. We're going to try just the sound now, no chum at all, and see what kind of results we get. Wow, that didn't take long at all. There he goes. Well, that works pretty well, it seems. I wasn't getting anything until I went in there and got that pan and banged it a few times on the roof of the boat. They certainly are conditioned to that sound. It was almost immediate strike. Look how glassy the water is out there today. Well, it looks like a very nice shell cracker. Seems that the chumming with sound works. There was absolutely no movement in that water at all until I hit that pan on top of the roof. Let's toss another one out there and see how long it takes for something to hit this. Boy, that water is glassy out there. Smooth. Here, fishy, fishy. Come on, fishy. Give it a twitch. Come on, fishy. Pow! Got you, fishy. They really seem to respond to the noise. I'm telling you, there wasn't nothing going on out there until I banged that pan a few times. Then I noticed a little bit of movement in the water. Immediately got a strike. They've been out there ever since, looking for the bait. That's a nice sunfish. You can tell by his bright red belly. Delicious. Nutritious. Sunfishes. Let's have a look at them. Nice, nice. Dinner. Uh-oh. We got a bruiser on there this time. There's a rod vendor. Using a feather light. I don't think they make them any lighter than that. Maybe they do. It's like a giant ice fishing rod. A lot of fun to catch fish on of any size. Looks like a bullhead. They're good eating too. Would you believe these things get up to about 20 pounds in here in the river? I think I've caught them up to 10, 12 pounds. This is just a medium sizer, average. Let's have a look at them. So if you were wondering what all that water boiling of fish was out there, now we know. There goes another one. Let's tighten that drag down a little bit. He's pulling pretty good there. Action's just fast and furious. He's bulldogging it. What fun it is fishing with these little noodle rods or whatever you want to call it. It sure makes the medium-sized pan fishing fun. You get you a catfish on there and yeehaw! Come on in here, let's get a look at you. Well, I'd say the experiment, fishing with sound, certainly a success. I'm going to let you know that for 8 or 9 days after I made this video, I did the same thing every day. Just banged it on the side of the boat, tapped out that same rhythm, cast out, almost an instant hookup. So it certainly does work. Got us another bullhead on there. I use pliers to get the hook out of their mouth. Don't really want to handle them. I just like to put them up there where everybody can see them, and back in the water they go. They're my co-stars, you know. Bye-bye, fishy. Let's get another one. Just like the other one. Give it a little twitch. Come on, fishy. Boom. Fishing with sound. Does it get any better than this? What we got there? Bring it on up here. Let's have a look at it. Looks heavy. Must be catfish. Getting the pliers out. Better lift it up by the line so it doesn't break a rod, right? We don't want to lose our little noodle rod. Yeah, it's been a nice day fishing with pieces of soft taco shell and a little bit of sound on the side of the boat. I always wondered if you could train a fish up to come just to the sound like dolphins, you know, how Flipper would come up to the ooga sound. They'd call Flipper, they'd say like that. If you enjoyed this video, we have the super thanks button right at the bottom of the player next to the share button. Show your support. Thanks.